Hey there, coding enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of simple calculator design in MATLAB. So, let's get started. Creating a basic calculator in MATLAB involves building a simple user interface, UI, using MATLAB's built-in functions and GUI capabilities. Below is an example of how you can create a basic calculator with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division functionalities using MATLAB's App Designer. For simplicity, I'll provide a script-based solution without using App Designer, utilizing MATLAB's uicontrol function to create a GUI. I gave the code in the descriptions with explanation. If you have any confusion in understanding, please comment. Explanation: creating the figure window. Figure creates a new figure window for the calculator with specific properties like position and size. Creating the display text box. Uicontrol style. Text creates a text box to display the current input and results. Creating buttons. Uicontrol style. Push button creates buttons. For numbers, operations, and functions, plus comma, dash comma, asterisk, comma, forward slash, comma equals C. Buttons are positioned using the position property. Button callbacks. Number buttons. Append the number to the current input and update the display. Operation buttons. Store the first operand and the selected operation. Equals button. Perform the selected operation with the current input and display the result. Clear button. Clear the current input and reset the calculator. Callbacks. Each button has a callback function that defines its behavior when clicked. This code creates a simple calculator GUI that can perform basic arithmetic operations and manage user interactions. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding adventures. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding!